Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and keeping safe. So I know it has been a minute, but I'm back and we are going to go through a full tutorial from base to eyes to everything, and we're going to go full glam for our Christmas look.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So I'm going to go in first with my Botanics spritzer and just prep my skin. Just let that sink in. This pregnancy has been somewhat quite stressful, and I'm just hoping my skin does not go through the acne breakout that I had last time. But yeah, sorry guys, I have been a bit AWOL, and that's just because in the process of launching my new product, I've been so stressed out trying to make sure like everything is just perfect, and yep, it's just been quite crazy. Let's just go in with my concealer and just tidy this up. Christmas look, I wanted to use like the warmer sort of brownier burgundy tones, so I'm gonna go for a colourful eye today. So I'm just gonna go in first with, and I'm using the Huda Beauty small palettes. I'll reference the picture below. So I'm gonna first go in with like a brown and just shape out and contour my lid. I love the Huda Beauty palettes. I just feel like the pigment's just so nice. So I went quite wild guys during Black Friday sales. I hope you managed to get some also, because Huda Beauty has insane Black Friday sales. Now I'm going to go in with more of like a burgundy tone, and I'm going to go in the same area. So I'm going to focus on this crease area. I'm just going to get a buffing brush and just swipe and just literally blend out the edges. Go in with a dark brown and do the corner of the eye. And we are going to blend it and mix it in with the plum shade. But as you can see, I'm slightly now starting to go into the crease with the dark brown. So I'm still using the dark brown. Now I'm going to go back in with the plum shade. Bring this in to the edge and the corner. Now obviously you don't have to go as dark as I'm going, and you can go a lot lighter if you'd like. But I've literally just used two shades, which I focused on first applying the product, and then I'm focusing on just blending. So at all times I'm bringing the product into the eye. So in this palette there's also like a really nice like shimmer, and that is exactly what I'm going to use in the inner corner of my eye. Going to go in with my brown liner and literally just line my eye. I'm not using black. Guys, so the lashes are on, and now we're going to move on to the base. So I'm literally just going to use Origin from Live Tinted and just do my under eyes, because yes, I have a ton of dark circles and marks and breakouts. The lashes that I'm wearing are Samantha by Huda Beauty also. They're one of my favourite ones. And I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match because I know I won't be wearing anything heavy on Christmas Day. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer and just use my applicator to apply this. So guys, this year I'm hosting and I'm so excited because obviously it's our new house and literally I'm just really excited about it all. But if you're looking for some good Christmas decor, like for house setup, then definitely check out Range and B&M. Like seriously, you get such good stuff, like half the price what you would pay outside. So I'm just going to let that sit, and whilst that's sitting, I am going to quickly do my contour because mama needs it. And literally, without moving where I've applied my product, I'm just pressing it into my skin. And then I just like to make sure that the rest of my face is also nicely blended. So then I just go in with my concealer and just press it all over. Go in with my special mix. Guys, you have to see this video because this mix that I make, it will transform how your concealer sits on your face, trust me. So I've got some on my beauty blender and I like to just literally first apply it and then push it into my under eyes. And it's crazy, do you see like it's just eaten up all of that product that I've just applied? Once you've done it and you've actually pushed the product in the first time around, then I like to go in and just set it for a second. And I like to take it up right to my nose, just like that. And then just underneath where my contour will go. So it's a bit of a crazy looking thing, but it's all good guys, it's all good, trust me. Now I'm just going to go in with my hula and just literally apply this to my contoured areas. So when applying your powder, your contour powder or your bronzer, do not swipe on your face because you're literally just going to take away, or you're going to start moving your base. So guys, something that I was doing yesterday, which I thought I'd share with you. I was watching The Kardashians and I started on season 1. Now I have watched this like years ago and I obviously finished the recent season, and I was just looking for something in the background whilst I was working and I thought, let me just put this on because it was there. It was like one of the options on Netflix because now it's on Netflix. And I kid you not, oh my goodness me, how everyone looks so different to obviously now. Incredible, like how different they look. And like especially Kim, because she was the one that was known for this whole contouring and highlighting and all that kind of stuff. And it's insane, like when you look back at what their makeup style and trends were before to how things are now. It's absolutely mental. So I'm literally just getting my NARS Orgasm Blusher and just putting it on without removing the powder that's underneath. Now I'm going to just take away what's excess on my face and then just finish off my eyes. So you don't want to swipe, you want to just push it into your skin. And if you have to go back in with like a press sponge, then just go back in with a press sponge. With my under eyes, I'm going to go back in with that same palette and just go in with the nudie brown shade. Just apply this underneath my eyes. And then just go in with some mascara. If you're looking for a really nice drugstore mascara, this one is literally the one. It's Lash Sensational by Maybelline, and it is waterproof. So I like to go in with my Studio Fix as a finishing for under my eyes, and I just like to pat this in as a final step. Now that that is done, let's do the lips. I'm gonna go in with Sweet Tea first. And because I've gone for like dark eyes, I'm not gonna go too bright with my lips. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lolita from Kat Von D. And I'm gonna add a bit of pink to this now with number 86 by Sephora. Freebird, pop that over. So guys, we need to do our hair now. So I'm just going to quickly go and dry my hair because it's all wet, and I shall be back. So guys, this is the finished look and I hope you've enjoyed it. And I hope you have an amazing Christmas. Wishing you happy holidays and lots of love. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye.